Iya ini tabungannya lagi kosong, bisa mau belanja Pak. Ke warung untuk sembako gitu, jadi harus diisi dulu lah gitu.
Mr. Haryanto has turned his house in Jakarta's outskirts into a kind of bank branch. In this poor neighborhood, the former Navy officer offers financial services at all hours. He's an agent for a new local electronic money service called eCash. With a few clicks on his keyboard, the bank correspondent credits 100,000 rupiahs, less than $8, to this man's mobile phone money account.
Sudah masuk, Pak?
Oh, udah masuk Pak, ini dapat SMS dari Bank Mandiri.
His customer can now use the electronic wallet to buy phone credit, pay electricity bills, or buy supplies in some local mom-and-pop grocery stores.
Masyarakat di sini memang sangat kecil sekali hubungan ke bank. Karena di sini adalah masyarakatnya menengah ke bawah. Bahkan mereka tidak memiliki rekening bank. Jadi fungsi handphone ini, nomornya itu sama dengan nomor rekening bank.
The unbanked customers go to these agents and they can open accounts, they can cash in, cash out, they can do fund transfer, they can also pay utilities just like a branch but run by third party instead of directly by Mandiri.
Saya kenal Pak Haryanto sudah lama, beliau ketua RT di daerah sini. Maka saya percaya banget beliau jadi agen eCash Mandiri di wilayah ini. Saya dekat dari rumah ini, jadi makanya saya ke sini. Nggak perlu ke bank lagi. Gitu. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum.
To reach low-income customers without having to open new bank branches, state-run bank Mandiri has trained more than 2,000 certified local agents. Mobile money subscribers can choose among a handful of platforms to get no frills, no opening fee, no minimum balance electronic money accounts that they can manage remotely. These kinds of mobile wallets are expected to democratize banking services in Indonesia, where most of the people still use only cash and don't save money as they don't have a bank account.
Assalamualaikum. Iya. Bunda Bu, apa kabar?
Baik, Pak.
Iya. Nah, jadi handphone ini, ini dipakai untuk gantinya uang kertas.
eCash
Iya,
itu sangat cocok
iya.
dengan rumah tangga seperti itu.
Saya nggak punya uang buat ngisi itunya.
Berapa saja. Iklannya adalah gratis, tanpa setoran. Dengan adanya mereka sudah bisa memasukkan, itu berarti sudah dia menjadi nasabah.
This woman says that she has no occupation and no fixed income. That day, she opens an e-money account which is likely to stay dormant because she says she doesn't understand the process.
Wouldn't it be great if you could save thousands of dollars in interest costs, repay your mortgage years sooner, and have the flexibility to meet financial needs as they arise? Well, now you can with Manulife One. This innovative financial solution combines your debt, your savings, and your income into one easy-to-use checking account that will change the way you think about banking. Here's how it works. Manulife One provides you with a secured line of credit which could be up to 80% of the appraised value of your home. Your first step is to use the account to repay other higher cost loans, such as credit card debts and personal loans. This may significantly reduce your overall borrowing costs by consolidating your debt at one low rate of interest. Next, you deposit your savings into the account and immediately reduce your interest costs. This makes sense because you're likely paying far more interest on your debt than you'll ever earn on your savings accounts, checking accounts, and GICs. But that's not all. The real power of Manulife One comes from depositing your income into the account. Whether it's your paycheck, a bonus, or other earnings, each deposit you make immediately pays down your debt, again, reducing your interest costs. Since Manulife One works just like a regular checking account, your money is easily accessible anytime. With unlimited banking transactions for one low monthly fee, you can write a check, bank online or by phone, use your debit card, or withdraw cash from over 2,000 ABMs. At the end of each month, you get a single, comprehensive statement that lets you know immediately where you stand financially. It's that easy. You could save thousands of dollars, be debt-free years sooner, and still have access to your money when you need it, just by switching to a Manulife One account.
Cash is going out of fashion in China. Replacing it is the digital wallet. So prevalent, it's almost possible to get by with just your phone, as long as it's loaded with the right apps. This is how many people in Beijing start their day. Breakfast on the go.
I'm going to get myself a tianping or crepe for breakfast. And instead of my purse, I've got my phone. 来，老板，一个。Now the next step is to look for the QR or quick response code, a two-dimensional barcode designed to be read by mobile phone cameras. To pay, I simply open the app I want, scan the QR code, enter the amount, complete the transaction.
Digital payment can be used almost anywhere for almost anything, from buying groceries to unlocking one of the city's shared bikes. A recent survey suggests more than 70% of Chinese internet users think carrying cash is no longer necessary. But there are also risks: data theft, scams, as well as concerns that government agencies could target service providers to gain information for national security purposes. Last year, the value of third-party mobile payments in China more than tripled to $5.5 trillion, according to estimates by iResearch, a market research company in China. Given the vast number of Chinese who want to go cashless even when traveling abroad, the two most popular digital payment platforms, Alipay and WeChat Pay, are aggressively expanding overseas. Mobile wallets may well be the way of the future. Florence Louis, Al Jazeera, Beijing.
HDFC Bank has been a pioneer in introducing digital innovation in the banking sector. Today, we proudly unveil yet another milestone in the history of Indian banking. Welcome to HDFC Bank. In our efforts to drive digital innovation in our banking services, we are today introducing a new age technology. Would you like to take a guess what it could be?
How about technology that gets me a loan in a few seconds?
If I could do something with my smartwatch, like make transactions.
Okay, what else could it be?
Schedule payment every month for my kid.
Is it possible to pay all fees through an app?
Do you think you can give me a loan in 5 seconds?
Well, I'm a writer working at home.
Okay.
So would it be possible for the technology to come home?
HDFC Bank already has introduced these digital innovations. So how about we go inside and find out what surprise HDFC Bank has in store for us?
Yeah, let's do that.
Sure.
Let's go.
Welcome to HDFC Bank. May I help you?
Our friendly humanoid Era is capable of vocal interactions.
You may proceed to counter number 10 for fixed deposit. It's been a pleasure helping you.
Contemporary design and human form makes Era smart and friendly. Choose the banking service you require or make any number of requests. Era will always be there to guide you.
Select the Take Me There button so I can guide you there. Please follow me.
Its state-of-the-art motion sensor technology will lead you to the right service counter.
You have arrived at your destination.
The surprise that we have unveiled today is not just a humanoid. It's a major milestone in India's banking sector. With artificial intelligence and free mobility, HDFC Bank's Era is the next step in digital banking.